Hey, up next, everybody, we have got Cat Design by Kathy's Art. All right. And you're welcome, Stephen. Okay, so the first thing I would say, Kathy, is the shop name is hard for sure because it's Cats Dezig. You're missing the N from the word design. I'm not sure if you did that on purpose, but Cats Design by Kathy S. Art. So it's fine. It doesn't really make a big difference on your shop. Your shop name doesn't have a huge impact, but it's definitely going to make it hard for people to find you again, like because it's not a very easy to remember name, especially when you have words that are spelled funny like design without the N. So totally up to you. Would not let the N in design. Huh. That's funny. I don't know why. That's weird. Maybe it was too long or something. But, not a big deal, but I would personally like something a little bit easier to remember. That way you can get repeat customers more easily because then they remember what your shop name is. So let's see here. Samantha, our next shop review live stream is going to be next Monday. So if you don't have time, no worries. We'll catch you next week. So let's see. We got Kathleen pops in a comment here saying, getting some traffic, but no one is buying any product. What should I change to get buyers' attention? The two sales were my husband, as he would not let me sell the painting. Well, that's good. You know what? If nothing else, it's a good thing you got a supportive husband. That goes a long ways, doesn't it? So the products are not selling. Okay. And it's always a classic challenge. A lot of different items that you have going on here. I'm going to look at this one because this one catches my attention as an interesting and cool looking product. So we've got a rainbow desk pad, colorful rainbow illustrated gaming mouse pad, office desk mat, home colorful desk mat, computer accessories. So 12 to 18 inches. Everything looks good there. The pricing looks reasonable. Let's look at the shipping time. Shipping time is July 27th to August 9th. I don't know why that's such a large range of time. It seems a lot like kind of it's just a big range overall. July 27th to August 9th is like I don't know how many days that is, but let's see. The 27th is Wednesday to the 9th is like a week and a half to the 9th. It's almost 2 weeks. The Wednesday the 27th to Tuesday the 9th. So that part could be hurting your sales a little bit. If people, I'm picky, I'm actually not that picky. I have bought a lot of products on Etsy that were very far out. But I don't, I don't particularly like it though. So let's just check out somebody else though. Let's just do a rainbow desk pad and let's see what the shipping time is. And I will say that you can have the best product in the world, but if it takes too long to ship or it costs too much to ship, that can really hurt your sales. So let's look at this one right here, this product. I say shipping fast is always super, super, the faster you can ship, the better, because we are in a fast society and people love to get their stuff fast. So these people are even longer. August 1st through the 9th, July 27th to the 29th. I wonder where this is coming from. Chicago. So there's just kind of a long time as well, and $8 to ship. There isn't really much any better. But let's check out this one here. Let's see what does this one look like. July 29th to August 5th. So that one's a little bit sooner than yours. Yours is all the way up to like August 9th, which I felt was kind of far. Let's check out these ones right here. This one, July 27th. So your shipping time might not be that bad. It looks like there's a lot of products out here that have a similar shipping time. So I guess I wouldn't fret too much about that. Let's see here. Rainbow desk pad. I do like the product though, and I think it's a clever product. I like the keyword rainbow desk pad. Your product looks really relevant for it. I would say this one's all together, I think, a very high potential product. Now, this is definitely going to be hurt you a lot. Listed on June 22nd. So this product needs to get renewed, especially when you're brand new, guys. So you got to kind of think of it this way. Etsy has a lot of people shopping on Etsy, but they have a lot of people trying to sell on Etsy. And they've got 4,000 results just for this keyword here, rainbow desk pad. So that means there's basically, there's hundreds and hundreds, there's probably thousands of shops that are making up these 4,000 results. So when your shop is brand new, it's even harder. You got to kind of think of it, it's like the power of momentum. You know, when you're brand new, you've got to try extra hard to get somewhere because you have very little reputation, very little track record and results. So one of the things that you can do to get traction when you're brand new is to renew, like I've been saying, and then to have the most competitive prices you can possibly afford. And the reason is, if we look up this keyword here, rainbow desk pad, we can see a lot of pretty good competition. You know, this shop right here, they've got 8,000 reviews. So you've got to really give Etsy some reason to try and sell your product when they've got Loom and Blossom over here with 32,000 sales. You know, that's kind of a difficult shop to compete with. So what do you got to do? Renew. That's kind of what it always comes back to. Renew. That's how you get Etsy's attention and get them to start giving you more traction, giving you more visitors, giving you a better ranking on the search results.